What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful e.MAS 5 Premium in Marble Cream exterior. Now ignore the dark brown finish that says the word right here, because that's not the actual color, it's just a wrap. The real color is actually this one right here compared to this. So let us just take a walk around to show you guys the shape and size of the car. It is a very fun looking, very nice finish of a car. Now these are of course covered, not really opened yet because the disc brakes are all the way inside. But let us first start off with the front of the car. Now the beautiful lights that we have right here, I love the DRLs that probably light up like this, and then there's some gap right here. We will turn them on shortly to show it to you guys. That's how amazing the light looks. That should be the turn indicator, perhaps the signal lights, or perhaps even this, and that should be the main headlights. Now at the bottom right here, you do get some bright chrome finish on this side, you do get some dark matte finishes on this side. At the same time, the bottom skirting at the front right here is this matte texture, very cool indeed, with some chrome finishes all over the center, which I believe this should be a sensor as well. Very compact and nice, and your 360 camera right at the top right here together with your number plate that goes right there. Nevertheless, it does look very clean and very nice indeed. Now you do get some air going in for cooling purposes because your battery is located right underneath here. That's what's nice as well. You get your Proton badge on this side, but of course it's wrapped up so you can't read out, but nevertheless that should be a very nice looking badge. Let's move down to the side of the wheels and let us take note. Tire size is 205/60 R 16-inch. Now once again, brake calipers are on this side, but these are actually your disc brakes. They are covered it with this plastic. Looks good. Two-tone finish wheel, black finish on the inside, silver on the outside. Very nice indeed. Love the wheel arch and this matte texture like finish. Beautiful. Now at the side right here, you do get this bright chrome finish that goes across from the door all the way to the end part of the door, and the whole texture is this matte finish happening all over the side, all over the bottom as well. Very nice. Side mirrors are in black, this gloss black finish, together with the whole pillar and the top right here is in this blacked out finish as well. So very nice indeed. Matte texture on this side, very nice. 360 camera underneath side mirror, turn indicator should be right there. Door handles, let's open up. Let's check out the side of the door first thing. You got this gloss black finishing on this side, looks very cool. Handles right here to open up the door. You have your hand right here to pull to close the door. Window adjustments up and down. The finishing is very nice indeed. Love this texture like finish over here. I believe these could be a light, I'm not really quite sure, we'll see that later on. But yeah, compartment storage down here, plenty of storage. Speaker system on this side, looks really cool. Love the lines that are happening as well, very nice. Love the bright finish together with some leather finish on this side. The rest of it, all of it is in this hard plastic material, very cool, nice. And the inside right here, you do get your beautiful seats which are perforated, very nice indeed. All these lines, texture like finish is beautiful. Love the stitching and quality and finish of this car, looks absolutely nice, man, dude. Okay, let's jump right in and take a look at what we're looking at. So first thing is you have your dashboard on this side, this hard plastic finish at the top, very nice indeed. You also get this gloss black finish right here, which I believe this should be some sort of indicator together with your ambient lighting as well. Side air vents, open this up, glove compartment storage, very cool. And yeah, very nice legroom as well. So seat adjustment should be on lever here, cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front passenger seat. Seatbelts are in black. So this is me side, looks very nice indeed. And yeah, from the center right here, you get an amazing looking screen. Love how they have, I believe the wallpapers you can actually change, but yeah, Apple CarPlay and whatnot, all of it is definitely very obvious. You can actually get that. But other settings that you can choose from, I believe, would be the lighting. Let me just see whether they do have any ambient lighting on the inside. I'm not so sure. Where do I actually go? So they got lighting over here, but follow me home lights, 60-second lights, 30-second lights. Okay, cool. Sup. Okay, never mind. You know what? We'll see that later when the time comes. But yeah, control center, lighting, all sorts of different settings that you guys can choose from. We will figure that out when the time comes. Nevertheless, Love the layout. You get your air vents on this side right here. You got your compartment storage on this side. I believe this could be perhaps maybe your wireless charging. I'm not so sure, but we'll see that when the time comes. Drive, you got your reverse, you got your P, you got your AC on and off over here. Right now it's turned on. Now we gotta better turn it off. Hazard lights on this side, your air vent right here. You got your two charging sockets down here. You got your USB-C and your Type-C as well. With an amazing storage space that we have right here. Very deep and very nice. Plenty of stuff that you guys can store. Let's get right down and take a look at the rear of the car. So you do get, once again, the top black finish on this side. It's hard plastic. You do get it once again right here. Gloss black finishing all over the side right here. Handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. Handle to hold, open up the door. Handle to hold, to pull, to close the door. Window adjustments up and down. Compartment storage down here. Speaker system on this side right here. Beautiful layout of a door. Very clean, very curvy, very nice. Check out the rear. Amazing space in the back. Let's jump right in. Take a look at what we are seeing. So legroom space is absolutely fantastic, man, dude. Love the appearance of this car, man. Looks really spacious and very, very nice indeed. Down here you got your air vents for your adjustment. Looks like it's a one piece, but actually, you know, it's not. So air flows on here, air flows on there. USB-C and also your compartment storage down there. Very cool. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear passenger seat. Seatbelts are in black and plenty of space that you guys can actually get. Very nice. So at the center here, there's no cup holders, but yeah, we'll see for that in the later finish. But yeah, cool. Let's get right down. And headroom is actually quite good as well. Very good. So let's get right down and take a look at the rear tires. And what we actually see right now is your 205/60R16. That's your wheel size. You do get amazing design like for the wheel. Black finishes together with the silver lining on the outside also as well. So that's very cool. Nice indeed. Matte finishing goes across the whole wheel arch at the side. And let's take a look at the rear. Of course, you know, you do get the Proton wording right here in the center. You do get your brake lights, which this design like finishes over here as well. So that's kind of cool. Proton wording right there. Once again, brake lights over there. Handle right here to open up the boot, which is the power boot. Sensors located all over the place. You got your reflectors on this side. Number plate goes right there. Yeah, this should be your rear fog lamp. So let's open the boot up, show you guys. So storage is absolutely huge. You do get, I believe this should be a tire repair kit perhaps. Let's fold down the seats and check that out. Amazing. So on this side, gotta fold these seats. Take a look. Amazing storage space. You guys can store plenty of other stuff that is actually happening with the car. Even from this side, looks absolutely huge. Very nice indeed. So that's for the back. Now let's jump right in to the front driver's seat and take a look at the doors. First thing, you do get this hard plastic at the top, black finish. You do get your gloss black finishing right here, which I believe once again these should be maybe your ambient lighting. I'm not really quite sure. Handle to hold to open up the doors. You got your handle to hold to pull to close the door. You have your window adjustments for the rear, so child lock for the rear as well. These ones are for the front, and unlock and lock side mirror adjustments on this side as well. So down here, compartment storage on this side. You got your speaker system right here, so it does look very cool, very nice. And seat adjustments for the backrest to go back and forth. Perforated seats once again, looks absolutely nice, very cool. So let's jump right in and take a look. Steering wheel of course is manually adjusted. Can pull this down if you wish to, but beautiful shape of a steering wheel. Very, very small and compact, lovely and nice to hold on to. Love the two-tone texture for the steering wheel. Signal adjustments on this side. You have your other wiper adjustments on this side as well. So nevertheless, let's turn on the DRLs right now in one more and show it to you guys. But yeah, very cool. Love the setup, love the layout, fantastic. So brake pedals are in this black finish together with the accelerator pedals. That's kind of nice. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat, and your handbrakes on this side. Very cool, very nice. Push it in as well to use it. Lovely layout, man. So let's get right down and show you guys the exterior lights. Does look very cool indeed for the front. Absolutely amazing. Nice cover photo for this. But yeah, check out the DRLs on this side right here. Full LED tech. Love the lighting and the lines around it. Now let's move right to the rear and show you guys how does the back look like, since this is a power boot. So let's close this down and take a look at the rear. The line right here pops right down. Very cool. So for the front signal lights, you also get these actually light up on the tree right there, so that's kind of cool. And yeah, it does look fantastic as well. So let's take a look at the rear. We do have some lighted up on this side, some lighted up on this side as well. Cool. So that is it guys for today. If I can find out more about Proton cars, do head down to their center here all the way in Eon, where you can look at this car. And together with their e.MAS 7 located right at the back, they have a beautiful place surrounding the whole layout here, together with a service center that's located right at the back right there. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.